How to create Game Pass on Roblox. So if you want to create a Game Pass on Roblox, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Roblox application. Once you open up your Roblox, you'll have the create section. Just simply go with create. But if you don't find the create option, you can go with the Roblox Studio, which will take you to the Roblox Studio on your browser. Go with start creating, or just simply go with your browser on your Roblox and then go with create, which is right here, and it will take you to this kind of interface. Once you click on create, now you need to go with dashboard section. Now you just need to simply click on your space. Once you click on your space here on the left side, you need to go with associated items. So scroll down and then find the associated items section, and under that you may have the pass option. But if you don't find the option, then you will have passes right here under monetization. Just click on passes and here you will have your passes, right? So you just need to simply go with create a pass, and you can add the image, give it a name, description, and then create a pass. Once you've created the pass, then you will have this kind of interface, right? Now you just need to simply click on the top right, which has that three dots, and then you can open the pass in a new tab, or just click on it, and here on the left side you will have sales option. Just click on sales and make sure that you've turned on the option of item for sale, and then go with save changes, and after that it's ready for sale. So that's how you can create a game pass on your Roblox, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.